In this video, I'll guide you through how to record a received customer payment in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look out for so your invoices and reports stay accurate and up to date. First, open your web browser and go to books.zoho.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your Zoho account so you can access your organization's Zoho Books dashboard. Once you're in, you should see the main Zoho Books interface with a menu on the left side of the screen. This is where you'll find all your core modules like sales, purchases, banking, and so on. Today, I'll show you how to start from that main dashboard and move straight into the sales area. Look over to the left sidebar and find the option labeled Sales. Go ahead and click on Sales. This section is where Zoho Books organizes everything related to customers, estimates, invoices, and payments you receive. Whenever you're working with customer invoices or recording money that's come in, this is usually where you'll begin. Once you've clicked Sales, you'll see several options appear, such as customers, estimates, and invoices. For this process, you'll be working with invoices since that's what you want to mark as paid. Click on Invoices. This will bring up a list of all your invoices, including ones that are unpaid, partially paid, or already settled. Now, look through your list and find the specific invoice for the customer payment you've just received. You can scroll, use the search bar, or filter the list if you have many invoices. When you've located the correct one, click directly on that invoice. This opens the detailed invoice page where you can see the customer name, amount due, due date, and any previous payment activity. I'm going to walk you through how to record the payment from here. On the invoice page, look for a button labeled Record Payment. It's usually positioned near the top of the invoice screen, close to other action buttons like More or Print. Click Record Payment. This tells Zoho Books that you want to register a payment against this specific invoice. When you click Record Payment, a payment form will open. In this form, you can confirm or enter important details such as the amount received, the payment date, the method of payment, and the account where the money is going, like a bank account or cash on hand. Even if the on-screen instructions summarize this step simply as clicking Record Payment again, take a moment to double-check that all the details match what you actually received from the customer. Make sure the amount is correct, the payment date reflects when you got the money, and the payment method matches how they paid you, whether that's a bank transfer, card payment, or cash. After you've reviewed the details and you're satisfied everything is accurate, you're ready to finalize it. I'll show you the easiest way to complete this. Look for the option to save and mark the invoice as fully paid. In this case, you'll see a button labeled Save as Paid. Click Save as Paid. This action saves the payment, applies it to the invoice, and updates the invoice status to paid within Zoho Books. Once that's done, the invoice will no longer appear as outstanding, and your reports and customer balance will reflect that the payment has been received. That's all you need to do to record a received customer payment in Zoho Books, starting from the main dashboard and ending with a fully paid invoice.